For an ideal gas, the compressibility factor is A 0.5, B 1.0, C 1.5, D 2.0. The correct answer is 1.0. A parameter that indicates the degree of nonsphericity of a molecule is called A. Compressibility factor, B. Eccentric factor, C. Holborn factor, D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is eccentric factor. The set of physical conditions at which the density and other properties of a liquid and vapor become identical is called A. Corresponding state, B. Critical state, C. Equation of state, D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is critical state. Material in a state above its critical point is A. Critical fluid, B. Supercritical fluid, C. Plasma fluid, D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is supercritical fluid. The summation of each of the partial pressure of the component in a system equals to the total pressure is A. Dalton S. law, B. Boyle S. law, C. Charles S. law, D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is Dalton S. law. Critical point occurs at A. Highest temperature and pressure at which gas and liquid can coexist, B. Lowest temperature and pressure at which gas and liquid can coexist, C. Highest temperature and lowest pressure at which gas and liquid can coexist, D. Lowest temperature and highest pressure at which gas and liquid can coexist. The correct answer is highest temperature and pressure at which gas and liquid can coexist. Any compound should have the same reduced volume at the same reduced pressure and reduced temperature. Is known as A. Law of corresponding states, B. Law of critical state, C. Law of reduced state, D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is Law of corresponding states. Corrected and normalized conditions of temperature, pressure, and volume normalized by their respective critical conditions is called A. Reduced variables, B. Corresponding variables, C. Standard condition variables, D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is reduced variables.